When mindfulness is stationed as a sentinel, a guard upon the threshold of the mind, mental scrutiny is likewise present, returning when forgotten or dispersed. So again, if we think of mindfulness as standing as a guard, watching the thoughts as they come in and out, as they rise, as they depart, right? Like a guard in a town or in a house, they stand at the front, right? And then they scrutinize everybody who comes in and out, and they know everyone that comes in and out. So mindfulness is like that. Looks at all the thoughts and sees what kind of thoughts they are, these good thoughts or bad thoughts. Mindfulness is this awareness, this being conscious of what is going on in the mind, right? We know what is going on in the mind. We're not just thinking and not aware of what thoughts we are thinking, right? So it's this awareness of all the thoughts as they come into the mind. Good thoughts and bad thoughts, we know them. It's knowing the mind. So the point is, we are normally distracted. We are normally in the habit of not being mindful, of thinking in the past, thinking in the future, going around the present, but not really, really knowing what's going on in our mind. I mean, normally we are very distracted. So developing Trempa and Sheshin is a way of restructuring our mind to make mindfulness a habit. Do you understand? We are in the habit of being unmindful. Now we have to train ourselves to become mindful.